In this video, I'm going to show you how to join Telegram private channel without invite link. So if you don't have a Telegram link and the admin has not invited you, what you can do is that you can ask the members of the channel to give you a link. Or if you know the name of the Telegram channel, just open any browsers and type in https double dot forward 2 telegram.me forward slash then the name of the channel and then tap on search and then click the channel that you wanted to join and you will be directed to their private group channel. So in here there's an options at the bottom to join the private channel. So just go ahead and click that one. Or if this doesn't work, you can search any Google Telegram private channel and you will see a lot of websites that provide private channel links. So you can go ahead and find a website that can give you a link and then join to that private channel on the Telegram. And that's it, guys. I hope you find this video helpful, and if you do, please don't forget to like and subscribe to my YouTube channel. Thank you for watching.